Hello guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel again and again! Guys, I just wanted to thank you for all the love and support that you give it to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much! So yes, today I'm going to do another reaction video, but before I'm going to start to make a reaction video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will be part of my life, my team, my squad, and everything. Yes! So yes, for those viewers who are going to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I just wanted to say thank you so much in advance. And I humbly welcome you all to be part of my life, my team, my squad, and everything. Okay? So today I'm going to do another reaction video, and let me see what is this video all about. So this is Zakir Hussain, horse running. I don't know what this means, but someone requested this to me, so I'm here for it, and I'm really kind of excited. So without further ado, we're going to start to make a reaction right away. 3, 2, 1, and go. Yes! Ah, this is a drummer world. Oh my god, his skills is amazing. Look at that hands. Look at his hands. Yes. How can you do that? Like how? He's just only using his finger. Okay. Look at that. Yes! Listen. That is why they call it horse running. Because it sounds like a horse. Oh? Oh? Yes. Look at him, look at him. Look at those fingers. Oh, 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 oh. Look at that! Look at that! How can he? He is a master of this kind of equipment and what kind of music. Oh, it's drum. That is good. Look at him, like he's enjoying it. Ooh, ooh. Yes! Woo! My God, that is so gorgeous! Bang, 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 bang! Oh my God, he is what we call this, a legend and a master, legend, like a master in that particular drum. I don't know what is the name of that drum, but he's master playing that drum, and he is a one of a kind. That skills and talent of his. How can you play a drum like that? Like he's just only using his finger like this. He's amazing, and I just wanted to say I really appreciate for the person who requested it. I like it so much. Like, oh my God, this person is really, skills. His skills is in advance, like top 10, 1 to 10. He's in the top 10. Okay. So yes, I hope that you really like my reaction video about this, and if you do have a lot of requests and recommendations, and if you have a lot of requests, please don't forget to leave a comment so that I can read your comments, suggestion, and opinion. And guys, I just wanted to say thank you so much for all the support and love. I love you, everyone. Before I'm going to say goodbye, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will become officially part of my life, my team, my squad, and everything. God bless you guys. I love you. Goodbye, and thank you so much. Bye.